अरे घूरना बंद करो, पहले सब्सक्राइब करो।
Exercise 110. I am sorry to interfere with the arrangements for the announcement of the concert season, but at the same time I am compelled to say that I think the form proposed is not likely to have the effect of introducing new members to the society. Full stop. I fear the psychological effect of the wording of the circular, which is more like a command or instruction than an invitation. Full stop. I think it will provoke a feeling of resentment in the minds of those whom you are addressing, and at the same time convey a false impression. Full stop. I am conscious of no selfishness in communicating with you on the matter, because it is quite immaterial to me whether the membership is large or small, but, as the instructor and conductor of the choir, I must, in self-defense, warn the committee against a possible misconstruction of their circular. Full stop. I think you will be able to induce them to change it. Full stop. I have been wanting to see you for some time, and if you will call sometime during the coming week, I shall be glad of a little conversation with you. Full stop. Exercise 113. Dear sir, thank you for your prompt reply to my letter regarding the syllabus of the Southern Institute. Full stop. I am anxious that my nephew should join on the resumption of the classes. Full stop. He was to have begun last session, but was obliged to postpone the matter through sudden illness, which caused us considerable anxiety. Full stop. Unless I am mistaken, I have had the pleasure of meeting Professor Larson, the principal of the institute, and I shall call upon him next week to arrange about textbooks, and to obtain his sanction to the course which I wish my nephew to take. Full stop. Thank you also for the invitation to the opening ceremony. Full stop. I shall certainly be present at the function if it is at all possible. Full stop. The program is very tempting, and I presume I may bring a friend. Full stop. If I am not mistaken on this point, perhaps you will kindly send a postcard to that effect. Full stop. Yours truly.